What's going on, Model Tech? So real quick tip here. We have a 2016 Honda Accord with a hard start problem. If you have a live scanner, go ahead and connect it, and while cranking, see what the high pressure fuel pump is doing. You should have at least 2,000 pounds per square inch. If you don't, more than likely there's a problem. It's pretty common on these, so I won't spend hours and hours here trying to show you how to disassemble everything and put it back together, but you can do it, man. Just take step by step in removing and step by step in replacing. Once you got that done, go ahead and crank it on. It starts up like a dream. You're good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this helps. I'd appreciate the like or subscribe. Peace.